Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into an incredibly exciting and transformative topic that involves the world of hearing aids. Artificial intelligence AI in hearing aids. If you or someone you know struggles with hearing loss, this video is for you. We are going to explore how AI technology is shaping the future of hearing aids, making them smarter, more efficient, and tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're new to hearing aids or looking to upgrade to something more advanced, AI is making a significant impact. We will break it all down for you. So let's get started. In the past, hearing aids were fairly basic. They amplified sound and helped people with hearing loss hear better. But as you can imagine, one size fits all solutions don't work for everyone. Different environments, different sounds, and individual preferences all demand personalized hearing solutions. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI-powered hearing aids go beyond simple amplification. They actively learn from the user's environment and automatically adjust to optimize hearing in real time. This intelligent system can adapt to various sound environments. Whether you're in a busy cafe, at a quiet meeting, or enjoying a concert, AI automatically fine-tunes the device to deliver clearer sound and better speech recognition. For instance, in noisy environments, AI can focus on speech and filter out background noise. This makes conversation easier, even in places like restaurants or crowded streets. AI also adjusts to varying sound levels, ensuring that softer sounds don't get lost, while loud noises don't become overwhelming. Imagine being able to have a conversation without constantly adjusting the volume or having to deal with distortion. AI in hearing aids is making that a reality. But how does it work? AI in hearing aids is typically powered by sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms analyze the sound around you and adapt the hearing aid settings in real time, often without the user having to do anything. The device learns from your hearing preferences and environmental patterns. Over time, it becomes more customized to your specific needs. It's like having a personal hearing assistant that gets smarter the more you use it. One of the key benefits of AI hearing aids is the ability to provide automatic feedback suppression. This means no more annoying whistling or feedback noise that was once a common issue with traditional hearing aids. Whether you're on a phone call or sitting next to someone, these AI-powered devices help maintain clarity and comfort so you can focus on the conversation, not the device. Another exciting development is how AI integrates with mobile apps and cloud technology. Some hearing aids now allow you to control settings directly from your smartphone, whether adjusting volume, changing sound profiles, or accessing real-time speech recognition. Everything is at your fingertips. AI can update itself automatically to the cloud, meaning your hearing aid can keep getting better without you having to worry about manual upgrades or complex adjustments. Now, let's talk about one of the most innovative features, personalized sound processing, meaning your hearing aid can keep getting better without you having to worry about manual upgrades or complex adjustments. Now, let's talk about one of the most innovative features, personalized sound processing. AI hearing aids can be tailored to your unique hearing loss profile. With the help of machine learning, these devices not only amplify sounds but also enhance them according to your specific hearing patterns. So for example, if you have trouble hearing certain frequencies, the AI will know and adjust the sound output to match your exact needs. It's all about providing a hearing experience that feels natural and customized just for you. Additionally, AI-enabled hearing aids offer better battery management. The intelligent algorithms allow the devices to be energy efficient while still delivering premium sound quality. This means you can enjoy your hearing aids for longer periods without constantly worrying about changing or charging batteries. AI is also making huge strides in speech recognition. The technology helps filter out unwanted noises and enhances the clarity of speech. For those who struggle to hear specific voices or conversations in a group setting, AI-powered hearing aids can distinguish between speech and environmental noise, ensuring the words you need to hear are amplified, while the background noise fades into the background. This is particularly useful in social situations business meetings, or family gatherings where multiple conversations are happening at once. Moreover, AI hearing aids can even adjust the settings depending on the time of the day or the user's activity. For example, if you're watching television, your hearing aid might boost the sound from the TV while reducing other background noises. In a quiet environment like a library, it might focus on the softest sounds. With AI, these adjustments happen automatically without any manual intervention. But as with any new technology, it's important to remember that AI in hearing aids is still evolving. While many devices are already incredibly smart, the potential of AI in hearing aids is still being explored. As machine learning algorithms improve, we can expect these devices to continue getting better at predicting user needs and delivering an even more personalized experience. Now, you might be wondering, why should you choose a hearing aid with AI technology? The answer is simple. AI brings a level of customization, convenience, and quality that traditional hearing aids simply can't offer. The ability to adjust automatically, learn your preferences, and improve over time ensures that your hearing aids is always working at its best. Plus, speech enhancement features, you will experience a clearer, more natural hearing experience in all environments. And when it comes to choosing the best hearing aids powered by AI, you need a brand you can trust. That's where HearsApp comes in. HearsApp combines cutting-edge AI technology with expert knowledge and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Their hearing aids are designed to adapt to your unique needs, ensuring the best possible hearing experience. With HearsApp, you get more than just a hearing aid. You get a personalized solution that grows with you. So whether you're just starting your hearing aid journey or you're looking to upgrade to a smarter solution, AI-powered hearing aids are the way to go. They offer a level of customization and clarity that traditional devices can't match. At HearsApp,